The next is velocity time graph. The graph between velocity and time is known as velocity time graph. The first one is similar that we have already done with distance time graph, but here I take velocity and here I take time. The graph is in a straight line and starting from O origin, this represents body moves with uniform acceleration. Body moves with uniform acceleration. This represents uniform acceleration. This comes in our mind. Why I said acceleration, not uniform velocity. Why I said uniform acceleration? Because similarly we take 2 points on the graph like that. Here time is 1 this and 2 seconds, velocity 1 and 2. This point we assume that E, this is at F. At E, acceleration is change in velocity upon time. Where distance in time, change in distance upon time is the speed. Final velocity 2, initial velocity 1, final time 2, 1, this 1 meter per second square. At F, at F. At E, A is equal to 1 minus 0 upon 1 minus 0, 1 meter per second square. So here the acceleration is increased by a rate of 1 meter per second square. So this is the graph represents the uniform motion. The next graph is like that. This axis represents time. This is 10 meter per second square, for example. Here velocity. Velocity does not change when time increases. Velocity does not change when time increases. This represents uniform velocity or constant velocity. This represents constant velocity. The next graph, graph starts from a point A instead of O. This is velocity time graph. This represents the initial body has some initial velocity. Its initial velocity is not 0. Initial velocity is 0. Uniform motion, uniform acceleration. Also, it has some initial velocity. For example, at A, we let the velocity is 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. It means the body have initial velocity 10 meter per second. Body have initial velocity 10 instead of 0. If the graph is like that, it means the velocity of the body decreases. This shows the negative acceleration. Here the initial velocity is v, and when it reaches at axis the velocity became 0, so the acceleration is negative. This represents the acceleration is negative. This represents acceleration is negative in nature.